Welcome back to my channel, y'all, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. I'm going ahead and I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I don't know what color that is. I'll leave it down below. And the white stuff on my face is calamine lotion for anybody that wants to know. Yeah, so I'm just using my hand to just blend this in, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques brush and spray that with some setting spray and spray my face as well. And then I'm going to press that foundation into my skin, baby. Yes. Okay, so now I'm taking my Tarte Tarte Shape Tape concealers in the colors medium sand and tan deep sand, and I am just going to use those two to highlight and brighten my face. Yes, and I really like these concealers for highlighting because they just blend so well. Y'all gonna see once I decide to blend this out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics number 31 brush, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the first concealer shade. And then I will be going in with my second brush, which is the Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to be blending out that second shade using that brush. Okay, so now I'm going in with the black opal foundation stick in the color ebony brown, and I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush to go ahead and apply that to my face and slightly blend it out. Now, after all the blending I did with the contour and the highlight, I am now going to set that with some banana powder, the Ben Nye banana powder in the color banana. And then I'm going to just set those highlighted areas with this powder, and then I'm going to go back into my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color honey, and I'm going to bake with that. with the Fenty Beauty powder. And I am also going in to set that contour with a Sasha Kashik brush. It came in the set, so it don't have a name for it. And I am using, what am I using? My Black Radiance contour powder. Let me see if I can find the name. It is the pressed powder enriched mahogany. So I'm setting my contour areas with that. And now I'm taking that same brush I used for my foundation, and I am going in to press that setting powder into my face. And then I sprayed a little setting spray on there so we can cancel out that white cast so it's not super duper ashy. Now I'm using my mahogany, not mahogany, I'm so wrong, my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami, which is my favorite. I love this bronzer. And I'm taking my brush from the contour brush from Plouise, and I'm using that to bronze up my face to add a little more warmth to my face, because the setting powder just made me look ashy. Okay, so I'm taking the Plouise base in number 2, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid and then blend that out with this pencil brush. I don't know where this brush came from, it's so old, but I'm just gonna use that to blend it out. And then I will be going into my Juvias Place, the Nubian 3 Coral palette, and taking that brown shade, and we are going to use that in the crease. And I'm just blending that out with a no, this is not a Real Technique. I'm so used to saying that name. This is a BH Cosmetic blending brush. This brush also came in a set, so I don't know the number for this brush because it came in a set. But yeah, I'm just using that brush to go ahead and pack the color on, and then I'm going to blend it out as well. Now I'm going to take this orange coral shade and use that to basically diffuse the brown shadow that we just used, and to create the blending effect. This is where you get tired when it comes to blending. You just be blending forever. So basically it's a back and forth thing. You go in with the first color, and then you go in with the second color, back in with the first color, back in with the second color, until you get the desired look that you are trying to achieve. So basically it's just back and forth, which is what a lot of people cut out of their videos because it's basically repetitive. I try to leave some of it in mine though, so you guys can get the gist of it. So now I'm taking the Plouise base in number 2, and I'm just applying that on my lid with another Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm using a more fluffier brush because I don't want it to look like a cut crease. I just want it to be a little bit more diffused. The lid area, I want it to be diffused, not so harsh as a cut crease. And I'm just taking this smaller blending brush to blend out that eyeshadow base again, so it can be more diffused. Okay, now I'm taking that silverish bluish color. I'm actually going to be using both of those. I put in the first one in my inner corner, and then I'll be using the second darker silver color in the middle of my lid, which is right here. See, that shade is darker than the first color. So I'm just taking a shadow brush and packing that color onto my lid, and I'm gonna blend those colors together. Okay, so now that I have blended the shadows together and applied my eyeliner, I'm going in with the IMV lash glue, and I'm putting that on my lid to prep it for the glitter. Yes, this glitter is so bomb. It looks like a mirror just sitting on your eye. So when I tell y'all that this glitter is like, oh my god, it's so pretty. And I know that does it no justice, but it's literally like iridescent, like purple, blue, pink, like depending on which way you turn and which way the light hit the glitter, that's the color it's gonna show up. But it's like a mirror, a reflective mirror at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so bomb. And if y'all are interested in this glitter, y'all can get that at shopglitzengalore.com, which is my my company. So go ahead and check that out and get y'all some bomb glitters, y'all. Now I'm just going in with my lashes, and which I had a hard time putting them on because I have on these nails, and for some reason I just couldn't get them on, baby. And that's gonna be it for this look. Boom, here we go. Get into it, honey, get into it. Yes, sis. Yes, yes, look at the eyes, baby girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video.